Perpendicular lines are two straight lines that intersect at a right angle. The gradients of two perpendicular lines are negative reciprocals, so if the gradient of line L1 is m1 and the gradient of line L2 is m2, then m1 times m2 equals -1, so L1 and L2 are perpendicular, and vice versa. To determine if two lines are perpendicular, first rearrange into the gradient-intercept form, then compare the coefficients of x, and if their product is -1, then the lines are perpendicular. Let's look at an example to get a better understanding of this. The line L1 is given by the equation 2x minus 6y is equal to 9. The line L2 is given by the equation y is equal to 1 over 4 minus 7 over 2x. Determine and explain whether these lines are perpendicular. First, let's rearrange L1 into the gradient-intercept form. So it will be 2x minus 6y is equal to 9, which will be 6y is equal to 2x minus 9, which is equal to y is equal to 2 over 6x minus 9 over 6, which is y is equal to 1 over 3x minus 3 over 2. So now we can identify the gradients. So m1 is equal to 1 over 3, and m2 is equal to -7 over 2. And now we can multiply them. So 1 over 3 times -7 over 2 is equal to -7 over 6. So since m1 times m2 is not equal to -1, therefore L1 and L2 are not perpendicular.
Please like and subscribe, please.